daughter of Laura, who's the CEO of BMD, and I am also the granddaughter of the founding dermatopathologist. And I'm here to talk to you about my skincare routine every morning. Yes, because like we're going through puberty already, and this is good for prevention, like prevention. I'm 13 years old. My main skin concerns are, well, really acne here and nose and eyebrow area. Also, I dance a lot and I'm very, very active, so I sweat also a pretty much absurd amount. And I tend to pull my hair back quite a bit, and you know, before I started using VCO as my gel, I was using very fragrance gel, so that didn't help. So I actually had a patch test done. I am slightly allergic to blue dye. I am also slightly allergic to perfumes. I've had a history of being allergic to red dye. Since I get problems around my forehead area, I use Essence Skin Saving Superwash as my shampoo and body wash. And then after that, I use Essence Skin Saving Milk Conditioner. So I part my hair into put on one side, and then I put VCO. VCO's virgin coconut oil. So I put virgin coconut oil and I finger comb my hair and then I brush it. Same thing on the other side. Let it stay in for a little bit, and to do that, and while I'm letting it sit, I use the moisture-rich, mild-mannered cleansing scrub for my face. And then I wash it off. Personally, I leave a little bit of the conditioner and coconut oil still in my hair because it helps hydrate it and, you know, nicer curls. So this is where I keep all my skincare. I first start off with ID Bump-Free Toner. So I pour a little bit on my hands. So I put a little bit on my hands, like that much, and then place it all over my face, avoiding eyes and neck, eyes, nose, and mouth. So I don't put it up my nostrils or on my lips. Next, I use the Super Skin 2 MONOL and MANDELIC Acid Toner. I put a little bit in my hands. So I put a really little bit, like that. Put it all over my face, avoiding eyes, nose, and mouth. Yeah. And then after that, I use the ID Oil-Free Clarifying Lotion. So I rub it between my hands and repeat. After that, I use ID Monolaurin Gel. And this I specifically put in the areas that I tend to get the most acne. So I will stick my finger into the cap and coat my finger with some of the gel, and then so I'll put it around my nose or on my eyebrows and then around my forehead and cheek-ish bones. Since this is the last thing I do on my face, I dump a little more in my hands and I use that under my arms. It helps control odor and sweat. And then I use Essence Skin Saving Antiperspirant, and I spray, especially for dance class. When I have to work out, I will put an extra layer on top of the one I put that morning. I've also used it on my feet when I felt like I've needed it, when it's been really sweaty and stuff like that. And then finally, I use ARMADA Sport 70. I apply a little on my hands and then rub it around my arms, neck, leg, torso sometimes, and then I have this weird system where I put a little bit on my finger and then forehead, nose, chin, cheek, and then I'll spread it. So yeah, that's my skincare routine.